Hello everyone, we'll be back to the channel. Thanks for the subscribing and liking my videos. Thanks very well. Today we are going to go through how to save. Mostly we shall start with opening and how to save our document. So without wasting time, we come here at the window button and we select that we are going to operate in a window. Now we are going to operate in a Word applications, and we shall add our blank document. Adding the blank document like this one, and we shall type some like apology letter. Most the word is for typing everything. It's like dear, I'm sorry, something simple like that. So this is since this is our heading, can center it. You can change also the font. The font you can change it like a 220 or 22, as you're seeing. Even 24 can be applicable. You can change the font. This is the font size, the font style. You can put in this style which is looking good. You can even make it bold. This is making it bold. Or we can, this is the italic form, be somehow granting, can even underline below it, can very many things you can format, can do on this thing. So after having it as this, we have opened, we're going through how to open. So we are going to go through how to save it. So after having this, when you're going to save it, it is simple. Just above here is the what? Above here, if you look here at file, when you come to file and click on it, to come at save as. When you come to save as, to come here, it will give you the directions where you have to save the document. Do you want to save it in documents or in desktop? If you want to save it on the desktop is meaning it will be displayed on the, can be easily seen on the monitor. So you just tap on this one and it will bring you and it will tell you which name do you suggest for your document. So we can suggest a name like letter or apology. Could we call it apology? Apology, and it will be done. So it will ask save as type. The type of the documents most to be saved is in Word 97 200 2003 template. Is the best when you save it, and since we have directed it to come on a desktop, it will be you will be easily able to see it, and it will be here as our letter. Let me have this be here as our letter. Are you seeing it? Yes. Thanks.